Good afternoon, traders. Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to look at OKLO, a very popular stock for trading, swing trading and day trading. And I want to show you kind of what I'm seeing with the price action and where I feel like we're currently at and ultimately where we're going. So as you can see, we're confined. Price action is confined by this parallel, right? You have the upper end of the parallel defined by these high pivots. You have the bottom edge or range of the channel or the parallel down here with the rounded bottom. We come up to previous all-time high here. We kiss it, reject. We hit it, reject. Finally, we break through it, but, big but, we did not get a confirming candle above it. We had this massive breakout on awesome volume, but we didn't have a confirming candle, and this is why I say that. So you take that breakout candle high. Okay, I'm gonna come in a little bit on this. You can see breakout candle high. Did we ever close above it? Nope. The answer is no. So we wicked above it, came back in. Wicked above it, came back in. Wicked above it, opened, wicked above it, came in. And now what we've done is we've broken back into this this breakout zone. So here's kind of what I'm seeing. I'm seeing we've come up into, broke through the 20-day. We've come up, retested the 20-day, and we also have this, guys. So check this out. We also have this head and shoulders. Okay. So you have this. Look at that, guys. And what we do? We broke through it, and we've come back up. We kissed it, and it aligns with the 20-day. So interesting, right? So check this out. Now, what is the measured move on this? From the breakdown, the measured move, if we were to complete this, check that out, takes us right into the 150-day. So this 4, it could stop obviously at the bottom edge of the parallel, or with a severe market correction, maybe we wick down in here. But suffice to say, guys, here's your 2 buy zones. So let me throw this on here for you guys. Why am I not seeing this? Okay, here we go. So buy zone number 1 is there, is right at the bottom end of that parallel, depending on where we get in there. Buy zone number 2 is down, at this 150-day, depending on when we get there. So it's kind of a big range. The other thing that could happen, guys, is we could fail this invert or this head and shoulders, not make it to target, fail it, just come back to the edge of this, and then fail the pattern, go back in, and then we get an explosive move higher, which aligns with my projection in this 5 wave. So I like the stock here in this range. I like the stock at the bottom end of the parallel, 47, 48, somewhere in that range, depending on when we get there. Just know, guys, that it can come down into here. So you got to be ready for that move if you're going to enter this name. But my projection and my estimation, and we'll revisit this video, is especially with market strength, I could see us failing this head and shoulders just like we failed here, and then reject, and then we're off to the races. Especially, because of all this buy volume, right? So the other thing I want to show you too is we had this bearish divergence on the RSI, lower lows on the RSI, higher highs on the price, and that has not fully reset, right? So again, another reason I like it to come down in here so that RSI can fully reset, and then that could be cleared, and then we can go from there. The other thing I want to show you guys, I want to throw on a couple indicators. So you got your ribbon. Look where the ribbon comes in, right? Down that end of support right here. So I like that to hold that pretty well. Let me turn that one off, and let's look at this one. And same kind of thing, right? You can see how it respects, once it clears this blue line, this orange or this turquoise, you can see it kind of will come in, overthrow it. So the same thing could happen here. So this is acting as a little support. I think it's going to come into it, and then boom, look at how that aligns. So yeah, guys, that's kind of what I'm seeing here. You got your order blocks, you got your dark pool liquidity. You can see this bearish zone. You can see why it rejected right there. So you got this bearish dark pool liquidity up here, which is the people are going to sell into. So yeah, I think this moves down into here pretty easily. I'm going to be a buyer for my own personal portfolio, my swing portfolio right here. And again, like I said, fully knowing and prepared to dollar cost average. If we make a move down in there, keep my dollar cost average tight. And yeah, so that's how I want to play it. So again, always my videos are for educational purposes only and not to be used as financial advice, but rather just education and to give you guys a broader understanding, a better understanding of what I see in the charts, what I'm doing in my own personal portfolio. And yeah, this is one I like. So these two buy levels, I like it for this 5-wave impulse up to retag this medium price target, likely about $85 to about $90. And then from there, you know, we could even potentially go higher. But I do like it once we get into here. I like it for a nice move back to 85. So my price target on this is 85 to 90. And yeah, that's kind of how I see it, guys. So I hope this you guys saw value in this. As always, all I ask, hit that like button. Show me some love. Show me you guys like this. Comment below if you see it the same way, if you see it differently. If you have any comments, put them down below. It helps with the algorithms. It helps get this channel seen. And that's all I'm trying to do is spread the love, spread the word, educate people so they know how to process and digest price action and ultimately make money, guys. That's what we're here to do. So until the next one, take care. Bye now.